Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear student, this is NGO's accountant workshop and training. Today, first lesson number one, 5th May, date 5th May. Now, first of all, suppose you are accountant in NGOs. Your NGO's name is Flower NGOs. Flower NGOs. Your NGOs receive donations, member fees, lecture hall income, and many. But this this is your cash book. Cash book date, particular receipt, payment. This is cash book. This cash book shape number one. This cash book shape number two. As you like, can uh, can you use any one? This and this as you like. Suppose we start in work. We start work. Suppose 11019. You receive UK grant. Suppose UK grant 5 lakh, 5 lakh. Now receive starting amount UK grant uh, liability, liability for us. Now date 1109. You receive donation. This donation, donation donation amount 500. You write here 500. Second, member fees 100 rupees. Member fees 100 rupees to 1019. Now lecture hall income. You receive lecture hall income. Lecture hall income amount 1000. Date 3. Look, see, date 3. Lecture hall income 1000. 3 tarikh lecture date 1000. Okay. Now date 4. Donation amount 2000. Donation 2000. Now 5 date 5 you receive donation 25,000. Donation 25,000. Now date 6 you receive member fees 100 rupees. Member fees 100 rupees. Your organization member. 7 date lecture hall income. Lecture hall income. 8 date donation 500, 5,000. Now 9 date donation 1500. Donation 15,000. 10 date you receive member fees 100 and 11 date donation 1600, sorry, 16,000. donations 12, sorry, 12, donation 50,000, 12, donations 50,000, 12, 13, lecture hall 1,000, 1,000. Now 14, donation, you receive donation, amount 13,000, 15 date, 15, donation 2,000, 2,000. Now you receive very important questions here. 15 date 16 109 17 109 18 1019 19 109 and 2109. Here is very important questions. You receive air condition, but you receive as a gift air condition. Now this air condition uh, as a gift, you receive gift air condition, not bill is available because how we make entry. This entry, this is entry will not here cash. This entry will enter in general voucher, general voucher, general voucher entry. This entry receive you air condition. Assume rupees one air condition. You receive air condition as a gift. You receive furniture as a gift. You receive medicine for gift, ambulance gift, medicine gift. Because amount is 1 rupees, 1 rupees, 1 rupees, 1 rupees. You write 1 rupees because you don't have you do not have bill because we write in 1 rupees. This is not cash book entry. This is general voucher entry. General voucher entry. Now we write 16 date, 16 date, air condition, air condition, air condition, air condition. 1 rupees. Other receipt, other receipt. 1 rupees credit. Second, date 17. Furniture. Date 17. Furniture. Furniture 1 rupees. Other receipt rupees one. Now medicine date 18, date 18, medicine, medicine medicine 1 rupees, and other receipt 1 rupees. Now ambulance ambulance 1 rupees, and other receipt 1 rupees. Date 19 and 20 medicine 20 date medicine medicine 1 rupee and 1 rupee. Now this is cash book shape. One cash book and second cash book. Can you anyone use? Anyone? We write now this cash amount. We write here, and this amount we write here, and amount this amount we write here. Now balancing. We receive UK ground 5 lakh and donation, member fees, lecture hall income donations, all donations. These are our income. Now receipt side and payment side. This cash book shape, second cash book shape. Now we make ledger. First story ledger. First receipt side always go in credit side. Cash book payment side always go ledger debit side. Okay, dear friend. Again, cash book receipt side always go in credit side. Payment side always go in debit side. Now we write UK grant. UK grant date 1/10/19. CS cash book. Cash book 5 lakh. You write here 5 lakh. Credit side. Second donation. Donation. Donation uh, one date, one this and this. and amount this, this, and this, this. Credit side, credit 500 and 2000, 25,000, 5,000, 15,000, 16,000, 50,000, 13,000, and 22,000. Now, uh, donation member fees. Member fees this, one member fees, two member fees, three member fees, member fees, member, member fees, amount this, member fees this, and this. 100, 100, 100. Now we write here cash book posting, we write cash book. Uh, Second, member fees lecture hall. Lecture hall, lecture hall is this and this. Three lecture hall. This, this lecture hall. Now date, lecture hall date 3, 3, 7 and 13. 3, 7 and 13. Cash book we write here cash book and cash book. Now uh, lecture hall fees, lecture donations, member fees, member fees, donation lecture and member fees is four ledger is complete. One, two, three. Donation member fees lecture hall. Member fees donation lecturer grant एक grant one donation two member fees three lecture hall four lecture hall four one two three four one two three and four donation member fees and lecture hall income. Now general voucher air condition air condition ledger air condition, air condition, and second ledger other receipt, other receipt, air condition, date, this date 16, we write here JB, general voucher rupees 1, and second entry, this this entry go here other receipt, date 16/109 JB, amount 1 rupees. Now furniture, furniture, date 19 JB, this look 1 rupees, 1 rupees debit, and other receipt 1 rupees here JB, uh, date 19/10/19, 17, sorry, 17, 17/10/19. Now medicine, date 18, date 18, medicine, medicine, debit 1 rupees JV, and other receipt, look this, medicine debit, other receipt credit, other receipt credit, JV 18, 1 rupees, 18, other receipt medicine. And now 19, ambulance, ambulance ledger, ambulance, date 19, JV 1 rupees, and other 1 rupees JV, general voucher 19, and ambulance. Now medicine and other receipt, 1 rupees 20, date 20, 1 rupees, and JV, date 20, 1 rupees. Now balancing, mm, we are balancing. Seer, Seer, 1 rupees, and 1 rupees, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 1 rupees, this credit side, and debit side, 1 rupees, 2 rupees, debit side, ambulance 1 rupees, TR. Now complete. We make try balance 31st 019 DR CR particular particulars. Now cash in hand, cash in hand. This cash in hand, this copy, cash in hand. Now ledger grant 5 lakh, 5 lakh. Now donations, donations amount, this amount. Donations, member fees, member fees amount 300. Member fees lecture hall income, lecture hall income amount 3000. Lecture hall income, air condition 1 rupees, other receipt 5 rupees, 5 rupees. Now furniture, furniture 1 rupees, 1 rupees, ambulance 1 rupees. Now medicine 2 rupees, Medicine 2 rupees. Now complete. Now complete. We make try balance. Work is done. Complete. Now we make receive and payment account. Receive and payment account. Receive and payment account. Receipt. Receipt. This amount we write here and other 5 rupees. Total receipt payments mean cash in hand. This cash in hand we write here and this and this amount. And same, both are same, right? This is zero and this. Dear student, I hope you understand this receipt, cash book, DIB, general ledger. Tomorrow your class hospital. This work is not complete. Next time we will uh, new work. Okay, dear student. Goodbye. Allah Hafiz.